Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
First you try to get the maximum talent. कितले लोकांचे तुम्ही बायोडेटा घेवपा जाय, कितले लोकांचे CV पळोवपा जाय. This is first part of it. Second part of it is scrutiny करूंक जाय. In this scrutiny assessment आसपा जाय. ते assessment कांय केलें ना. सो एकू मनशाचो आंकडो हितून CM सांगता जाल्यार हो मिनिस्टर हुंयचो सांगता जाल्यार हे मनशा घाल म्हूण एज अ GPSC member and who afterwards could become a GPSC chairman. These are very important constitutional posts. And तुम्ही जाणात की GPSC holds all these gazetted posts, selections, promotions, even relaxations and consultation with GPSC is often required by the government for these high ranking posts. तुगे मनशा घायल जाल्यार कितें जाता? It raises suspicion. You may like to appoint someone who is your man, that's fine, but follow the process and do it in accordance with law. A high-handedness आता, a arbitrary जाता, violation of Article 14 and of fair play and fair administration. Because when you try to give a note, appoint this man, and on that note, he appoints Zale, this is the flaw of the whole system from the beginning, from its inception started.